Hey guys, welcome back to our channel TechTube. Today in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how you can change country or location on Indeed in an easy way. So yeah, I'm gonna be teaching you a very easy step. So just follow me guys, and if you have any problem or any queries within the process, just let me know in the comment section right away. Now without any further delay, let's just get started. So firstly, what you need to do is you need to go to your Indeed website and then log in with your account. Once you do that, just go to your profile and then over here from here. Now what you need to do is you'll be having this add location option. Just go over here and then scroll all the way down. Now as you want to do what? You want to change your country. You can do it from here. So just choose any country you want. So let me just choose any random country like this, and then choose the street address, city, state, and then the postal code, and just save it. So that's how you're gonna do it guys. So I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel, and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away, and I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.